Hi guys, it's Ramsha
Hi guys, it's Somon.
and welcome to Habtoor Grand Resort.
Chairman Suite.
Come, let's take a look. Welcome to the family room. This whole property is around 6,460 square foot, so you have a lot of space. This room in particular is great for the family to gather. You have your TV here, you have a lot of sunlight coming in through, and then if you make your way forwards, you have this huge family room and you've got so much space. Again, floor to ceiling windows, you've got a bar in the corner, you have a lot of room to gather your family and friends, so there's just so much you can do.
And this is a dining area where you have a big table which can be used for meetings, for family dinners. And my favorite part about this room is actually the ceiling, where you have a beautiful design of it with very nice looking chandeliers.
And this is where all the magic happens, the kitchen. The kitchen has a lot of built-in storage. You've got your smart stoves, you have your ovens, you even have a service lift, so no one has to come through the front entrance. It's perfection.
So this is the master bedroom, where you have this huge space.
It's huge.
And you have this built-in closet on the right side,
That's
which is your favorite part.
Yes, that's
I can guess. And here you have the bathroom, where it has a huge space as well. You can do anything you want.
It's like your own jacuzzi, your own sauna.
Exactly.
Like your own spa. Wow.
And here you have the master bedroom itself.
Wow.
Who wouldn't want to wake up with this view?
This is the balcony where you can see Dubai at its prime. You have the blue water views, you can see people skydive, you can see Royal Atlantis, and you can see the Atlantis Palm Jumeirah. Now this property comes with 5 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. It comes with built-in storage. It comes with a service lift, an emergency exit, and a maid's room. It cannot get better than this. Live the Dubai dream.
For more information, contact on the details below.
Bye guys.